Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd show you guys another physique update. By the way, there's like no guaranteeing I'm gonna get off the floor because this workout killed me. I'll take my top off so that you guys can see like my full physique. But yeah, I don't know when I last did one, but anyway, here's another one. So these are the Gymshark Flex leggings. By the way, you would have never seen me wear them. I rediscovered them, but they're low rise, so that's why you can totally see my puku today. But anyway, this top is Kmart, by the way, before anybody asks. I really like it for low impact. It's real cute. They also have it in pink and grey. But anyway, here's the update. Please excuse my house being messy. Just thought I'd show you guys this, because I don't think I've done one in a couple of weeks. But yeah, just a little bit of fat to go like around here. And you guys can really see the fat, if I pull it up just a little bit, on my hips. You can mostly see it from this angle. Like this is pretty much all it needs to go, and then just like this fat. I mean, there's not really much left, although I haven't eaten yet today, so it's really flat. Just this little bit left on my stomach. We just went grocery shopping and we got this. And please correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't all hummus freaking vegan? Is this just a marketing ploy? Please correct me if I'm wrong. Horopito, roasted pepper or something like that, bush pepper. It smells very green. Oh no, that's your thing. And then I got these, which are like everything but the bagel bites. Go on, mate. Oh, wait. Yum. Smell the gunpowder. It's actually Guy Fawkes today, guys. I feel like I've been really bad at showing you guys my meals lately for work and stuff, so I'm going to show you what I'm having today. So I've got the last chocolate banana muffin, which is going to be my last sugary thing for a long time. I've got 45 grams of corn chips because I am having nachos. Normally I would have 60 grams, but I'm having barely any frickin' chicken, you guys will see. I had to cut off so much chicken from my packet. Sorry, excuse my panda eyes. And then I've got my overnight oats, which are basically 50 grams or 2 cups of oats, 1 scoop of protein powder, and 1 cup of almond milk. And then I've also got about 5 grams of chia seeds, just a sprinkle. So I've got those, which I'll have as soon as I get to work. Are you freaking ready for how pathetically small these nachos are? Like, excuse me. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like 4 pieces of chicken in there. Alright guys, so it's Tuesday night. I know that I'm whispering, but Corbu is streaming right now and I don't want to be like pouring my heart out when his stream can hear me. By the way, I know that my face looks weird. I'm wearing a face mask. I wanted to come on here and chat to you guys because I'm always like really real with you as far as like my fitness journey goes and everything. Like I'm an open book, you know, so I wanted to come on and talk about this because I haven't talked about this yet because it hasn't affected me yet, and that is, I guess, self-destructive behaviors or a lack of willpower. So I genuinely, you guys, have been really good this whole journey with eating what I'm telling you guys that I'm eating, and I mean it when I say that I haven't like binged out, other than like when I go to the movies and I plan it and I expect it and I know that it's gonna happen. I've been really good at like walking past chocolates and not taking one, or walking past Chocky Bickies and taking one, or just giving them a smell and not taking any. Like I'm honestly being serious. But the past week, I'd say 2 weeks, I have been really bad, you guys. Like, I'm not going to say binge eating, but binging for sure. But I wouldn't say that it would be considered binge eating. Does that make sense? Because the definition of binging is having something in excess, right? So I've just been binging on, so if I like have chocolate, I will binge on it. So I ate like 4 rows of chocolate tonight. Yesterday I had 2 rows. Yesterday I also had like a whole entire bag of chocolate coins. But I just wanted to come on here and keep you guys in the loop. I'm nearly halfway, 5 weeks I think, through my 12-week challenge. Or is it 6 weeks this week? I don't know. Either way, I'm a decent chunk through, and I just wanted to let you guys know how I'm feeling and how everything's going, because it's not great, but it's not terrible either. Does that make sense? I thought I'd jump on here because I'm about to try out this new face mask. This is one of the ones from Lush. I don't know how I haven't used it yet. This is what it looks like. It's a jelly mask. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really jelly-like. and it smells like chocolate orange. It's freaking amazing. Just gonna scoop out a little bit of it. You can see you'd get quite a lot of use out of this. This is probably too much. And you're supposed to rub it in between your fingers. Oh my gosh, it smells even better when you're like rubbing it like into your fingers. And it turns kind of masky. Just still looks like chocolate pudding, to be honest. And I'm just gonna put it all over my face. And just die because it smells so freaking good. So I've got a relatively even layer over my face. I did just taste it. Yes, it doesn't actually taste that bad. I just had to do it so that you guys didn't have to. Anyway, I'm gonna let this set. It's kind of like, because it's jelly-like, it's sort of hard to spread. But I'll let you know how it looks. I do want to take a selfie wearing it, but I will not do it this time because it looks like I've just mashed poo all over my face. So the makeup.co.nz order arrived. The first thing that I got was the Sweet Nut Buttercup set from Benefit. Look at how good this is. Full size, full size, full size, and then a mini. And this was $69 New Zealand, which is freaking amazing. I also picked up this little brush from Wet n Wild. I thought I could use it to like cut under my brow or like conceal or whatever, because I do like little brushes. This was like $3, so I was like, why not? I also got this from Wet n Wild. This is the Mega Glow contouring palette in Dolce de Leche, and I've heard that that's supposed to be Dulce de Leche, I think it is, sorry. Really, really good. And then I actually ordered the Dandelion Twinkle, but I got Dandelion. It's a little mini, it's very, very cute. I contacted them. I'll let you know what they say. And then, because Claire is a, like, absolutely amazing sweetheart, she threw in this Leo Alley Triple the Solution BB Cream. I don't know whether this is a lighter shade or the darker shade, but I will still give it a try. So thank you very much. I did buy all of this myself. This was just an extra. I also got my Click Tights, which I'm going to try on for you guys. I also got my navy Click Tights that I pre-ordered at the expo. I'm so excited. I actually got these in a 6. Like, you what, mate? You bloody what? I'm a size 6? I don't think so. But apparently I am, at least in Click. So I'm going to pop these on and I'll show you because they're so cute. By the time this video goes live, unfortunately, the navy ones will like 100% be out of stock. I don't know about the black ones. I don't know. I think they're in stock today as well. But I'll leave them linked off down below anyway. Let me just get changed. So this is the Click Tights on. I do have them in black, but they're 2 sizes larger than this, so they're way too big. By the way, it's really weird. Like, there's a line here and there in the fabric. But if I look at it, it's not really that visible, but the camera seems to pick it up. But anyway, this is them. These undies are like particularly poking through today. It's really annoying.
What? Definitely not. No. You never get a second shot.
As you guys can see, I'm very nicely tanned and I made homemade pizzas for dinner. So I'm gonna enjoy this, finish off Sabrina, and then I'll catch up with you guys. Hey guys, so it's Sunday, and as you guys can tell, I have not really vlogged this weekend. Emily and Tom, my friends that used to live in Auckland that moved to Dunedin, are visiting for the weekend, so I've just been enjoying every single moment with them while they're still here. So right now it's like 11:30 and they're going at 4, so we're going to go to Albany Mall and do some shopping. Emily wants to go to Mecca because I don't have one in Dunedin. And we might go to Kmart and stuff as well while we're there. And I'm just wearing my little like Suzy Cato jumpsuit from Kmart, and I'm going to probably go makeup free. I'm just going to put on some eyebrows and some mascara, maybe some lip balm so that I don't look like a corpse. So Emily and Tom went home a couple of hours ago, and then we had like a late nap. It's like 7 now, we're about to go out for dinner. And I just like I just wanted to show you guys what I got from Cotton On. I went in just to have a look. Didn't think I was going to buy anything, and I left with like quite a few things. So I made a donation, so I got some tissues, and then I got these shorts and this top, not necessarily to go together, but now that I'm looking at it, they kind of look cute together. It's just like a little muscle tee kind of crop that says salty, and it's probably, I was saying it's probably like, it is supposed to be salty from the sea, but I just thought like salty as in like when you get mad at something. Yeah, so I just got that in a small, and then I got these shorts, like little like paper bag denim shorts, which I thought were really cute. And I think normally they're both 20, but it was, yeah, it was 2 for 30, so that's like, that could be a really cute outfit. And then I got these shoes in a 38. They're just little like slingbacks like slingback shoes, but they don't have like the ankle strap. They actually look really cute, and I'm going to wear them with this when we go out to dinner. And they were like 2 for $30, so I shared shoes. Like Hazel got shoes too, and then I also got some sunnies, which I'll put on my face for you guys, but they look like that. If you guys knew me in real life, you would know that I legitimately hate sunglasses, like all sunglasses. There were some clips in my last vlog. I don't think I included them because I hated my face with sunglasses, and I think these ones are quite cute. They're nice and small because I have a small face. My face is even smaller than it used to be, so yes, these were those. These are what am I saying? And then of course, because we went to Albany, I went into Mecca. How gorgeous is this bag? I die. Let me just show you what I got. Last year I missed out on this set, so I had to buy it this year, and I don't own any of these. So this is the 3D Dazzle Glitter and Glow set. I don't know what colors you get, but there you go. It's $39. Oh, you get Golden Girl, Perlina, and Kitten Karma, and I love all of them, so I had to buy this. It was $39, and I think one of them is like $50, and I would never use a whole one, so that's why I got the little holiday set. And then I always hear people going on about how good the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder is. So I picked it up in the shade Translucent. This is the mini one. It was 23, I think. It doesn't say on it, but I'm pretty sure it was 23. And I'll use this to set my under eyes. What you're getting as well? I don't know. Come on now, you know better than that. The cognac one, the no veggie one, and then double meat, normal one.